Hi, in this video we will learn some of the configurations for document reversal. So what is document reversal? Let us understand that. So document reversal in SAP FICO, the terms normal reversal and negative reversal refers to two different ways of reversing posting documents. That means document reversal we can do it in two ways. It is a normal reversal as well as negative reversal. So document reversal is like whenever we post the transaction into a wrong account, or we have posted the wrong invoice. I'm going to say we have incurred some expenses but we have posted it as income. So in this case it is not a wrong account, it is like the transaction itself is wrong. So here this is one scenario, and negative reversal or the normal reversal can be applied here. And there is another scenario. For example, we have done sales to one customer but we have posted the sales to the other customer. For example, we have sold goods worth 1000 rupees to customer A, but we have posted the 1000 rupees sales to the customer B account. That means we have done a wrong account posting. So there are two types of scenarios. One is the transaction itself is wrong, and the another one is we have posted to wrong account. So for these two types we will be using normal reversal and negative reversal based on these scenarios. So let us understand what is normal reversal and negative reversal. So both, that means negative reversal as well as the normal reversal, have the same general purpose, to cancel or reverse the effect of a previously posted document, but they function in slightly different ways depending on the scenario. As I have said you, there are two scenarios. Let us understand for which scenario which reversal we need to use. And normal reversal. Let us understand what is normal reversal and how it is done, and what is the effects when we do normal reversal, how the system gives the output in normal reversal. A normal reversal is the most used type of reversal in SAP. It is used when you want to reverse a document that was posted incorrectly and you want to reverse the exact values and amounts from the original document. How it works: when you perform a normal reversal, the system creates a reversal document with the same values as the original document, but with the opposite sign, debit or credit. This means that the amounts posted and the accounts from the original document are effectively cancelled out by posting the amount to opposite side. Let us understand what was the meaning of these sentences. For example, how it works. That means we have an account. I'll explain you with a diagram. This is an account. Every account has two sides. You can see in the right of the screen I am drawing a account, and I am trying to explain you how this is working. Normal reversal. So this is an account. This side will be the debit and this side will be the credit. So whenever we post, for example, we have sold goods worth 1000 rupees to a customer. Okay. So whenever we sell the goods, this is, suppose we example, see that this is the customer account. I'm drawing, this is a customer account. So in this customer account, whenever we sell the goods, it will be posted to the debit side. This side 1000 rupees will be there because customer is an asset. So whenever the asset increases, we need to debit it. That is the reason in customer account we have debited as 1000. So whenever we do the normal reversal, what the system does is, whenever we reverse this document of 1000 rupees, system will post another 1000 rupees to the credit side, so that when we balance it, this will be a minus. Credit means minus. So whenever we balance this 1000 minus 1000, it becomes 0. The total will be 0 and the account will get tallied. So there is no need of us to get this 1000 rupees from this customer. So this is how normal reversal is done. Whenever we post the debit, if it is a document reversal, whenever we want to reverse this document, system will post the same amount to the opposite side, to the credit side. That means if the document is posted 1000 rupees, when we do the document reversal, it will be posted to the credit side. In the same way, for example, we have purchased goods worth 2000 rupees from vendor. I am explaining in a new slide. Suppose we have purchased goods worth 1000 rupees from a vendor. This is purchases. That means we are purchasing the goods. So this is a liability. Liability means we owe some money to the vendor. So this is a vendor account. When this is a vendor account, there will be a debit as well as credit. For all the accounts, debit will be a left side and credit will be the right side. Any type of account, let it be asset or expense or an income or a liability, anything, everything has debit and credit in this same format. Left side will be the debit and right side will be the credit. So whenever we purchase the goods from vendor, it is a liability. So when liability increases, we need to credit it. So this is a vendor account. In vendor account, when we purchase the goods worth 1000 rupees, on the credit side, system will post a 1000 rupees transaction that we have purchased the goods worth 1000 rupees. So that means when you tally this, you see, I am not doing any document reversal. When you tally this, so 1000 rupees, here the total will be 1000 and here the total will be 0. So when we minus this 1000 rupees minus 0, the balance will be 1000 rupees. Here, to get tallied to this both the accounts, in order to get 1000 for every year, we need to tally this account. Only then we can prepare the financial statements. So to tally this both the amounts, what we will do is, here we will write it as balance carry forward 1000 rupees, just to tally this account, because here in the debit side it is 0. That is why we are writing it as 1000 rupees. So when we write this, for the next year, this balance carry forward will be going to the credit side of the account of the same vendor. So this becomes balance brought forward. It is called balance brought forward in the beginning of the financial year of next year. At that time, this 1000 rupees will be there as a credit balance. As liability shows a credit balance, that is why credit side 1000 rupees is there. So now we will understand how in this case, when we purchase the goods, how the system reflects the output. So this is a vendor account. When we do the reversal, this side will be the debit and this side will be the credit. Right side will be the credit, left side will be the debit. So this is a vendor account. In vendor account, when we do purchases, in the right side, in the credit side, 1000 rupees will get posted. So now we need to do the normal reversal. We need to do the normal reversal for this. So when we do the document reversal for this vendor account, for this transaction, 1000 rupees, system will post this 1000 rupees to the debit side, so that this both the accounts, both the sides will get tallied. 1000 rupees, this side is also 1000 rupees, and this side also 1000 rupees. So there is no balance carried forward or balance, there is no balance carry forward, because both the sides we have tallied. There is no balance to be carried to the next year. That is why it is called as document, this account has been tallied. So in this way the normal reversal works. When we post the transaction, the wrong transaction to the account on any side of the account, whether it is a debit or credit, system will post, when we do the normal reversal, system will post the same amount to the opposite side of the account. Opposite side means if it is a debit, opposite side is credit. If it is a credit, opposite side is debit. In the previous example, from debit we have posted the normal reversal into credit side. For example, in the customer account, in that we have posted a wrong invoice in the debit side, and that has been posted when we do the normal reversal into the credit side. In this case, we have posted a wrong document in the credit side, and system have posted the same amount into the debit side to make this account tally, so that there is no balance carried forward to the next year. And we'll see the next slide. In normal reversal, for example, if you have posted vendor invoice of 100 rupees to the credit side vendor's account, and when you reverse the document using normal reversal, the system will generate a document that posts rupees 100 rupees to opposite side of the account, that is debit side of the same vendor account. We have seen the same example. When to use this normal reversal can be used typically when there is no change in the nature of the transaction and you simply need to undo the effects of previous document. So this is used whenever there is no need of transferring the amount to the correct account. We have made purchases but we have posted it as sales, so there is no need of transferring the balance. We need to make another document for purchases. So in this case there is no need of transferring the balance to the another account. So in this case we need to use normal reversal, so that we can able to understand that there has been a normal reversal in that account. If the document has been posted from debit to credit when we do the normal reversal, or credit to debit, vice versa, in this case we can see the balances in the account and we can clearly notice that this document has been reversed. So there is a data will be more, as well as you can also identify the errors, or you can also identify what are the reversal documents has been done in the account by using normal reversal. And the next one is negative reversal. This is another type of reversal. We can do reversal, document reversal in two ways, whether it can be a normal reversal or a negative reversal. Now we will understand what is negative reversal. Before we dive into the negative reversal concept, we will do the configurations and see how the system reacts in normal reversal, and then we will come to negative reversal. Now go to SAP. In SAP, we have to do some of the configurations. To do the configurations for normal reversal, in command bar type SPRO and click enter. Go to SAP reference IMG. Here go to financial accounting global settings. In financial accounting global settings, we have in SPRO, go to financial accounting. In financial accounting, go to general ledger accounting. In general ledger accounting, we have business transactions. In business transactions, there is a node called adjustment, posting or reversal. Expand this node. Here we have define reasons for reversal. So just execute this symbol click on IMG activity. This is called IMG activity. Here click on new entries. So we can give the reason for reversal, whether it is a wrong posting, whether the posting has been posted into the wrong month, or the prices are different, or it is in case of return it is reversed, or it is auto reversed. So in this way you can see here, so these are the reversal reasons which has been given by SAP. This is a standard reversal reasons for reversal. We can also create one for us as per the company's requirements. If it is required by the company to create any other reasons for reversal, we can also create one by clicking on new entries. Click on new entries. Give the reversal reason. I'll give us 22. So that it is our company name. It can also be identified easily. In text, give us normal reversal 222. I'm using this for normal reversal. So here if you see that there are two check boxes. One is for negative reversal and another is for alternate posting date. If you select this checkbox for negative reversal, it means this reversal reason will be used as a negative posting. This we haven't yet discussed about it. We will be coming to the negative reversal after explaining the concept in slides. So now there is no need of checking this box because this is a normal reversal we are doing. And alternative posting date. This means whenever you reverse this document, system will ask the reversal document, the amount which is to be reversed, whether it should be reversed on the same wrong document date, or we need to specify the alternate posting date. For example, we have posted to the vendor account 1000 rupees wrongly in the month of January. Now I want to do the reversal in March month. Now I am in March month. So posting period March is open. So if I check this box, the document which is reversed, the 1000 rupees, that document will get posted into the specified date in the document when I post the reversal. That means it will get posted to March month if I check this box. If I don't check this box, system will not ask me whether to specify the alternate posting date. System will automatically post the reversal document to the January month because already the original wrong document is already in January month. Onto the same date, the reversal document will also be posted into that January month. So now I will check this box of alternate posting date. After checking this box, here I have alternate posting date box for this line, document reversal reason 22. This is the reason for reversal. What is the reason? I have given this is a normal reversal and I have checked this box alternate posting date and click on save. Now click on continue. Data was saved. Now go back, go to SAP Easy Access screen. In the command bar, type FK10N and click enter. Now give the vendor account, we'll see the balance display. Company code is 222, give 222 company code and click on start search. Double click on the vendor account to get selected. In company code, give 222, type 222, you'll get recommendations on the name of 222. Here you will have your name, company code 222. Select this company code by just clicking one click on the mouse. Give the fiscal year as 2024 and then click on execute. Execute option is the right bottom of your screen. Click on execute and the shortcut key is F8. You can also use F8. Now I'm using my keyboard shortcut key F8. So now you can see that even F8 is also working, the shortcut key. Now if you see that in the posting period 12, 85,000 in the debit side and as well as in the credit side, it is to 85,000 and 85,000. That means cumulative balance. I have said you already in the example just now what we have discussed in the same video, that balance carried forward and balance brought forward from the vendor account is done only when there is an outstanding amount. That means here cumulative balance will be coming. If we yet to receive any balance from this vendor, that will be under cumulative balance and the balance also. These two fields will get filled up when we yet to receive the amount from the vendor. Now if you see in the posting period 3, there is no balance. So we can use any of the posting period. Just for educational purpose I'm showing you, but in business there will be so many of balances. Now we will post to any of the account which is not there. I'll post to posting period 3 because nothing is there here. Now go back. I'll post one transaction of vendor invoice. To post the vendor invoice, go to accounting. In SAP Easy Access screen only, you need to go to accounting. In accounting, go to financial accounting and then accounts payable. Further into document entry. Here we have FB60. The transaction code is FB60. That is to post the vendor invoice. Double click on it. Whenever you post the entry, see that company code is selected. Your company code should be selected. Because in practice systems, so many users will be practicing. So automatically their company code will get selected. So to select your company code, after entering into the document entry screen, this is vendor invoice document. Go to company code, click on switch company code. In the top of the screen you will have company code. Click on this and give your company code so that that company code will get selected. Suppose we have already 222 is our company code. Now I will select the another company code. If you can see already here 222 Tata Tech company code 222 Tata Tech is been selected. Now I will select another company code from here, any company code. I'll select 0001 and click on continue. Now if you see that company code has been changed to 0001. So whenever there is another company code like this, just go to company code and select the company code. Here is my company code 222. Double click on this to get selected and click on continue. Now you can see that company code 222 is been selected. So this document will be related to this company code. all the transactions in this document will get posted to the company code 222. So this is header data. So this header data is related to all the line items. Now after coming into the document, vendor invoice, select the supplier, double click on the supplier to get selected. I'll give the invoice date as 3rd of, I mean to say 17th of 3rd posting period. 3rd posting period means 6th, that means June month. It is a 3rd posting period. Even though the month is 6, posting period is 3, because financial year is been starting from April of 2024 to March of 2025. That means there is a period of 12 months. So here financial year will be starting from April. That means the first month in the financial period is April, and the second month in the financial year is May, and the third month in the financial year is June. That means third month means third posting period. Even though that is a third posting period, the month is 6th because June. So June is our third posting period, third month. That means third period in the financial year. And give the posting date also 17 June 2024. Give the amount as 15,000 and select the GL account. This is called the header data, where this is used for all the line items. This is common for all the line items. This is line item. This is, you can see that 0 items are there. That means 0 line items are there. If we enter one line item, it will be first line item, first item. If we enter the second item, it will be a second item. Whichever the line item you select, that will be a here item number. So in the first line, in the line item, select the GL account, activate the GL account column and click on search. Here a pop-up will appear where in which combination I need to select the GL account. System is asking. Here you can see, if you click on this arrow, system will ask in which combination it needs to select the GL account. Here an arrow mark which is showing a down arrow, you can see that here whether GL account we need to select in company code. System is asking whether shall I search the GL account in chart of accounts by account type, or it might be GL account description in company code. Shall I search the GL account description in company code? But I am selecting GL account number in company code. That means search the GL account in this company code. So which company code? If you select this, system will ask, okay, I will search the GL account in the company code which we have given. So here we need to give the company code 222. Give the 222 and click on start search. Here we can see all the GL accounts related to this company code. Here is the company code. You expand these fields, you can see that in the middle column there is company code column. All the GL accounts related to this company code is been displayed over here in the left side. This is the GL account number and this is the long text of this GL account. So now I need to select purchases, because double click on this. I'll tell you why. Because we are purchasing the goods from supplier. You can see that in the top, in the header data, I have selected supplier. This is the vendor invoice. From vendor we can only do purchases. So I have selected purchases. Automatically debit will get selected for this line item, and select the amount in document currency field and type 15,000 so that debit and credit will get matched, and click enter. This is just a warning, period 12 adjusted in line with posting date, and just click enter. Net due date is in the past. This is also a warning. Click enter. Account 4 lakh requires an account assignment relevant to cost accounting. So this error is coming because our cost center, if I want to show you, go to the new screen by clicking on Ctrl N. Here go to the transaction code OKEON. This is the standard hierarchy for cost centers. That means all the cost centers related to our standard hierarchy will get displayed here. So now if you go to inventory and double click on purchases cost center, here you can see the analysis time frame. This cost center can be used only from January 1st of 2025. So that is the reason we are getting this error. But we are posting it in 2024. So we need to post it in the 2025 year. So this is why we are getting this error. Now exit this. We will post the same transaction in the 2025 calendar year. Select the supplier by clicking on search. Click on start search by giving the company code. After you get the display, double click on the vendor to get selected. Give the invoice date. I'll give the invoice date as first. For example, we will go and see the vendor balance display. FK10N is the T code to see the vendor balance display. Give the company code and fiscal year and the vendor also, and then click on execute. Now if you see, in the 12th posting period 85,000 is there. In the 11th and 10th period there is nothing. That means first month will be the April, second month will be the May, third month June, fourth month July, fourth period is July, August, September, October, November, December, 10th will be the January month. That means we need to post into the 10th posting period. So in the 10th posting period there is nothing, no balance is there. Now go to the vendor balance, vendor invoice, and select the invoice date as 1st of January 2025. Give the same posting date. As 1st January 2025, and give the amount as 15,000. So this is the header data as I have said you. Now we are entering all the details in header data. Now I am coming to line item. In the first line, in the GL account column, in the first field, select and click on start search so that you will get a pop-up where the GL account needs to be searched. I am selecting it as search the GL accounts in this company code. Give the company code of yours and click on start search. Now double click on purchases GL account to get selected. We are doing some purchases from this vendor. In amount in document currency for this line item, give 15,000 and click enter. This is a warning, just click enter. This is also a warning, click enter. Now you can see that system has took without no errors. System have accepted all the details which we have entered without any showing us any errors, because we have given the invoice date and posting date for which this cost center is valid. Why cost center is required? Because we have assigned this GL account, that is 4 lakhs GL account, which is used for purchases, to this cost center. If you scroll to the right, here I am scrolling bar is in the bottom of the screen. This is the scrolling bar. If you right scroll, you can see that cost center purchases is been selected. Even though we have not selected, I have selected only GL account. Cost center is automatically got extracted because I have given the configurations in the T code OKB9. In the previous videos, you can see that. And now just click on simulate. In the top of the screen, we have simulate option. Click on here, simulate. This is the document overview. This is where we can see the document, how it is getting posted, what is the posting key the system is using, and what is the accounts and accounts short text. Purchases is been debited and vendor account is been credited with the posting key 31, and purchases account is been debited with the posting key 40. And then click on post. Now the document 203 was posted in company code 222. Now we'll go to vendor document display, vendor balance display. This is vendor balance display. The T code is FK10N. In the right top of the screen, you can see my mouse going to the right top. Here you can see the transaction code. If you click on right symbol, it will get closed. If you want to see, here is the transaction code. If you click on the transaction code, you can see what is the user, what is the client you are using, and what is application server program. In transaction, if you select this transaction, only then you can see the transaction code. Now, as we have posted in the January month, it is the 10th period. Here, nothing is displayed here because we have not yet refreshed the screen. To refresh the screen, we need to go back and come to the screen again. Click on back. Now in the transaction code box, I mean to say command bar, in the command bar, give the transaction code FK10N and click enter. Give the vendor and company code and fiscal year and click on execute. Now you can see that in the 10th period, 15,000 is been posted. Credit 15,000 and balance is 15,000. That means we need to pay to the vendor. This is a liability. So cumulative balance is also 15,000. And now we will do the normal reversal. I'm just showing you because how the system behaves after we do the reversal, we'll get to know. Now go to vendor invoice screen and go back. Click on exit. Click yes. In the SAP easy access screen, to do the normal reversal, go to accounting. In accounting, go to financial accounting and then general ledger. Go to financial accounting and then go into general ledger, document. In document, if you scroll down, you will have an option called reverse. Click on this node. Here you will have FB08. The transaction code is FB08 to do an individual reversal. Okay. Double click on this FB08. Give the document number. If you know the document number, give the document number, or else don't give anything and click on document list in the top of the screen. Before clicking document list, you can see that reversal reason is been under red mark. That means it is mandatory field to be filled up. Select the reversal reason by clicking on search in the same field of reversal reason. If you activate that field, you can get the search symbol. Click on search and double click on the reversal reason which we have just created, that is for normal reversal. Double click on 22. and give the posting date as today's date. This is what I have said you, alternate posting date. System will ask that on which date this document should be reversed. The reversed document should be posted into which posting period, which posting date. I will select today's date, 7th of March 2025, and now click on document list. Give the company code and fiscal year and the ledger and click on execute and click enter. This is just a warning. And now you can see that which document we need to reverse. We have posted on 1st of January. See the document date and posting date which is there on 1st of January. Yes, this is 1st of January. Is there any other document? No. 1st of January we have posted only one document so that we can confirm that this is the document. Double click on this document 203 to get selected. So after selecting document number, give the same reversal reason, that is 22, and the posting date I'll give as today's date, 7th of March, and then click on document display before reversal, that is in the top of the screen. Now you can see that purchases which has been debited and the document which has been vendor account which has been credited. This is the document which is going to get reversed. You can see that document number 203. And now go back and click on post. Document 501 is posted. So now go to the vendor balance display. The transaction code is FK10N. To refresh the screen, go back. Again go back. And go to FK10N once again by giving the transaction code in command bar and click enter. Give the vendor details, vendor account number and company code and fiscal year and click on execute. Now you can see that 15,000 which has been credited, the first document which is wrongly posted. We have posted in the month of January. And what the system have done? It has added this 15,000 in the debit side so that everything will get tallied. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh is equal to 85 plus 15,000. So 1 lakh is equal to 85 plus 15,000. So here also 1 lakh is there. Here also 1 lakh is there. So there is no balance or no cumulative balance. That means there is no need of us to pay to the vendor. So this is how system behaves. If you post the document wrongly in the credit side, it will post into debit side. If suppose for example, if you post the wrong document in debit side, system will post the same amount to the credit side so that both the lines will get tallied and there will be no balance can be displayed for the next year. This is all about document reversal. In document reversal, this is the first method which is called as normal reversal.